Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're uncovering the 5 best dash cams you can trust to keep you safe on the road. With the rise in accidents and insurance fraud, having a reliable dash cam has become more essential than ever. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, 70mm S500 Dash Cam. The 70mm S500 Rear-View Dash Cam. This impressive device features a 9.35-inch full laminated touchscreen, providing an expansive view without any blind spots. The screen is designed for enhanced transparency, ensuring clarity in all conditions. Users can easily adjust brightness and reposition images with simple swipe gestures. The S500 boasts stunning 3K resolution powered by the Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor. This technology enhances safety and convenience, capturing exceptional footage, even at night. The dual-channel HDR recording ensures continuous recording without storage worries, saving emergency and parking videos separately for easy access. The dash cam offers multi-view options, allowing for split-screen or picture-in-picture displays. Its voice control feature makes it easy to operate without distraction, letting users capture photos and lock videos with simple commands. With 24-hour parking surveillance, the S500 provides peace of mind, automatically recording in the event of a collision. The 70mm S500 is a smart investment for drivers seeking reliability and advanced technology. Second product on our list, Vantrue E3 Dash Cam. The Vantrue E3 3-channel Dash Cam. This device is designed to provide comprehensive coverage while you drive, ensuring peace of mind on the road. The E3 features 3-channel recording, capturing the front, cabin, and rear at an impressive 1944p plus 1080p plus 1080p resolution. With a 55-degree rotatable lens, it fits most windshields perfectly. Plus, the optional CPL filter enhances color clarity by reducing lens flare. What about low-light conditions? No worries. This dash cam includes infrared night vision with 4 LED lights. It utilizes WDR and HDR technology to automatically balance light and dark areas, making it ideal for night driving, especially for rideshare drivers. With inbuilt Wi-Fi and GPS, users can easily view and share recordings via the Vantrue app. The voice control feature lets you operate the camera hands-free. It comes with a 24-hour parking mode that automatically records motion, ensuring your vehicle is always protected. Overall, the Vantrue E3 offers reliability and advanced features, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their driving safety. Third product on our list, 70mm 4K Dash Cam. The 70mm 4K Dash Cam A, a game-changer in automotive recording. It features Sony's Starvis 2 IMX678 CMOS sensor, ensuring outstanding low-light performance and image clarity. With 4K HDR up front and 1080p HDR in the rear, this camera captures every detail on the road. The A8's f1.8 large aperture allows more light in, enhancing nighttime visibility. Exclusive Night Owl vision technology improves clarity and reduces glare, ensuring safe recordings even in darkness. At 60 frames per second, motion blur is a thing of the past. Plus, the advanced AI motion detection automatically activates recording when it senses suspicious activity around your parked vehicle. With its stellar image quality and smart features, the 70mm A8 is an essential companion for every driver seeking safety and peace of mind on the road. Fourth product on our list, KQQ 4K Ultra Clear Dash Cam. The KQQ 4K Wi-Fi Dash Cam brings next-level security to your vehicle. The front-facing camera captures ultra-clear 4K or 2.5K video, while the rear records in 1080p. With a 170 degrees wide front angle and 150 degrees rear angle, it minimizes blind spots, providing full coverage during your drive. Connecting to the Vantrue app is simple. Just use the built-in Wi-Fi to access, view, and manage all recordings on your smartphone. One click allows you to download, and even edit your footage with ease. Nighttime driving is a breeze with HDR and an f1.8 aperture, which adjusts exposure for clear images. The G sensor detects collisions, locking important footage automatically. Fifth product on our list, Gmaipop 3-channel Dash Cam. The Gmaipop 3-channel Dash Cam is a complete solution for vehicle security. It records high-definition 1080p video from 3 angles: front, interior, and rear, ensuring no blind spots. The 2-inch screen makes it easy to review footage, while the seamless loop recording ensures continuous coverage without missing a second. This dash cam also powers on automatically when you start your vehicle and supports a TF memory card up to 64 gigabytes. With a built-in stereo, it delivers both clear audio and video recordings. Special features like digital zoom, motion detection, and real-time surveillance offer added convenience. Plus, the Wi-Fi function makes video transfer fast and easy. With anti-surge protection, parking monitor, and wide dynamic range, the Gmaipop Dash Cam enhances safety and performance in every drive.